I really only want like an inch off. Sounds a little aggressive, Andrew. Why'd you cut that much? No! Good day, everyone. Welcome back to my channel. As you can tell by the title, we're gonna be cutting my hair, but this is not gonna be your average hair cutting video. I made a video on this channel last summer where I cut my own hair. That price is way too high. You need to cut it. Oh my god. That's so stupid. Ah! Help me! Just kidding. I don't give a fuck. And it got a little weird at points, but I would say it ended up pretty good. My hair dried nice and curly, and I really like the length. Perfect. So I trust myself to cut my hair, but today we're gonna see if I can trust my siblings. Actually, shut the.
Did you curl your hair?
No, this is my natural hair.
How does it look like that?
We'll get to that in a second. Why'd you barge in here?
To make an awesome intro with Bubby.
Smile for the camera.
He's overheating.
I'm trying to keep like as much length as I can, and I'm afraid they're gonna try and prank me or something and give me like a bob cut. But we'll see how it goes. Maybe I'll have bangs by the end of this, who knows? But yeah, I'm obviously not gonna cut my hair in my bedroom, so let's move over to the bathroom, shall we? Now let's get the siblings. Siblings.
Why are you so short?
You're on a stool.
Andrew, maybe don't eat Funyuns during this.
These are my siblings, Ashley and Andrew, my older sister and my younger brother. As far as I know, I'm pretty sure Andrew's never cut anyone's hair. I think Ashley's cut her own hair a couple times.
I've cut my hair before.
I cut Andrew's hair.
Yeah, we shaved your mullet.
Can I eat those or no?
Yeah, those are vegan.
Give me a bite.
Yums. Imagine we made onion rings, you call them yums. I'm branding it.
I'm not cutting my roof of my mouth either, and it's like very enjoyable.
I believe that. I'd be like,
Stop it!
Okay, you're right. Wow, West Coast. These are the girls I love the most. So what are you guys thinking about my hair? What do you guys want to do?
Bangs.
Yeah.
No!
Why?
You have to join the cult.
Me and Andrew are just
Join the
don't
cult.
bangs.
Join us.
I don't
Who's
want
gonna cut my
bangs.
bangs?
Join us so we can all look like
Andrew, show
twins.
the
I have
camera your
bangs,
bangs.
kind of.
Who's gonna
You
cut
got
mine?
mullet bangs.
Or should I go with the intense mullet?
How about we give you the same haircut that Andrew has right now?
I'm kind of down for that.
Let's jump right into the video.
Yeah!
Waste no time. Let's jump right into it. Let's jump right into it. After this commercial break.
Stop eating the onion rings from the bed.
He's like licking his fingers.
Anyways, in case you guys are wondering how I keep my hair so healthy and how it's grown so long since I last cut it.
It is actually so long.
It's actually so
It
long.
was like here when you cut it.
That was in January, I cut it like here, and that's June. And Ashley was saying, did you curl your hair? No, I didn't. Let me tell you what I did do.
Amber's blessed.
I'm blessed by Function Beauty. So yes, thank you Function Beauty for sponsoring this video. These are the shampoo and conditioner that I use. So if you don't know what Function Beauty is, they are a custom shampoo and conditioner company. They also make different other products, like I have this hair oil from them. So all you have to do is go on their website and fill out a 2-minute quiz on your preferences for what you want your hair to be like. I made my preferences frizz reduction and hydration. You can write your name on the bottle, like I have mine here. So I have Function of Amber on mine. Ashley and I both use Function of Beauty.
Amber's is purple, but mine's pink and orange. Because
Yeah.
you can choose your colors and like scents and everything.
We both get the pear scent because we like the pear one.
Yes. The hair oil also smells like pear, which is like,
oh my god,
how did they do that?
We both really like using Function of Beauty because there's no parabens, toxins, GMOs, all of that. And it's vegan and cruelty free, which is always very important to us. Function of Beauty is available in a bunch of different countries, which I'll write on the screen. There's a ton. And if you're interested in trying them out, you can click the link in my description and you get 20% off your first order.
Oh wow, that's really is epic.
This is really epic. This is another use for Function of Beauty.
Yes.
Style. Yeah, so I'm gonna cut my hair and then I'll shower afterwards and use these. It'll make my hair nice and hydrated. So, without further ado, should we get into cutting the hair?
Yes, let's go get Andrew. Andrew, it's time.
Andrew, it's time.
Andrew, the time is now.
Andrew, if there was ever a time, it is now. Stop licking your goddamn fingers.
Now I'm gonna
Where's,
touch your hair.
Yeah, now you just touch my hair.
Where is like the stool that we always sit on? Do we just sit
Literally
on
right there.
No, we sit on a different stool. It's white.
Face palm. Ew!
You did
Ew!
not.
Ew!
No.
I feel it on my legs!
Ish.
We got these scissors. Andrew, would you like the scissors? You can grab them from the sharp end.
No running.
Okay. What are you doing?
Nothing.
Boom.
Okay. Let's go sit over there now.
You have to set the camera. Okay, let's go!
What did you want? This?
No.
This one?
No.
What?
What?
Oh! Eric.
Ayo. Yep, this is awesome. She want the whole crew, shoddy brave.
I
Okay.
hate that. I hate that quote. That's the one quote I don't like.
Okay.
That's the worst
I think
quote.
there's worse quotes
Well,
out
why
there.
don't go tell Ray Sherman that.
Yeah, why don't you go take that up with Ray Sherman? What down?
Look how tall I look.
Maybe.
Andrew, we're gonna trim the bottom of Amber's hair. So
I really only want like
an inch.
an
off.
inch off.
Okay, hold it out.
Andrew, you have to figure out how to do yourself.
Okay, give me your hair. Right here.
Stop.
Hey!
Start at the top, right?
Yeah, you start up here and then you work your way down.
Inch by inch.
Inch by inch, yeah.
What am I
always do the
cutting?
bottom.
Andrew, just cut it. I don't even care what you do. Just don't cut off that much. Don't put my coochie in it. Cover it up for you.
There you go.
Uh-oh.
Why would you say uh-oh?
Got
Sounds a little aggressive, Andrew.
I could have.
Andrew, that's so much! Why'd you cut that much? I didn't say that much! Andrew! Andrew! No! Why'd you cut that much? That's like 4 times more than what I wanted. I wanted like this much.
Andrew.
Wait, you left the front long and then you got shorter as you went towards the back of my head. So now the back of my head is the shortest part. Wow. This is interesting. I really was like, no, they're just gonna cut an inch off my hair. This cannot get that bad.
I actually thought you were gonna cry.
No, I don't care.
Are you sure?
I mean, technically I didn't want that much cut off, but it's not like I'm gonna be upset about it.
I think you were upset for the split second when it happened, but after you realized you can't get it back, you're like, okay.
My hair was getting kind of long and then now it's just short again, but that's okay. I don't really.
It's not like
No, I
short,
don't care.
it's like
Just
it's
cry
still pretty
already.
long.
Yeah, I'll just.
Okay,
Keep
well I have to
cutting
make it even still. I'm
Just
really
maybe.
cutting this straight, which is like not the best vibes.
Why did I let you guys do this? I truly trusted you.
It looks fine.
Okay.
It does look fine.
Here's what
I'm
you
totally
do.
joking,
This-
guys.
And now I'm gonna check the evenness.
Is it uneven? It's okay. I don't even care. But you grabbed so much hair and then you cut it all off. How does that even happen? This hair.
I'm just taking a video.
It's fine,
I'm
it's
trying to blend it out.
Why is this so
You
difficult?
gotta look at Andrew. You have to just lock eyes with Andrew.
I don't want to look at him.
Okay.
Look up. Hi,
Hi,
Mom.
Mom.
Hi.
Hi.
We're cutting my hair.
Why? You doing that by yourself?
No, Ashley and Andrew are cutting my hair for me.
Got some hairy feet.
Stop putting the hair on my feet.
Mom, she's getting a buzz cut.
Bubby's panting so loud. Hi, Mom.
It's only half.
It's only hair. Andrew cut off a lot more than I wanted. Can we give him away now?
Also, Amber, like, it might look choppy. First of all, because it is choppy, but also because it's like a blunt cut. Once your hair grows out again, like, longer, it'll be fine.
do this to me? Don't throw hair at me, Andrew. Can I hold it? Ew, why'd you knot it up into like a matted ball?
What I gotta say?
Mabuhay.
Andrew, do you want to do it?
Why are
Yeah,
you
Andrew
making
can
a
do the
V?
rest.
To try
That's
to
how
keep,
you're supposed to
try
cut
to
hair.
keep some of the length.
Stop cutting it! What the heck are you doing?
Yeah, this faded perfect. Dude, the V is a little bit off.
It's a little bit to the left.
It honestly does look fine. Should I just look in the mirror so I can like understand it?
No.
Yes!
No need to understand it.
No. Yeah,
No
there
need
is
to
maybe a
look.
need to understand it.
No need to look. No need to cry.
Andrew, pick up the hair.
What
Eat
hair?
it.
Turn it into a felt
Yummy.
animal.
Eat it.
This is for my dog.
Be like, Bubby, fetch.
How about I leave it right here?
Your dad will find it and be
I'll
like,
be like, oh
yeah.
no.
Do-do-do. Boom. Boom, boom.
Okay, Ashley, can you hold this while I look in the mirror? Correctly.
Amber, let me see my reaction. Oh my god!
What do you think, Amber?
Oh my god! This part's too long, I can see that. Random chunks sticking out. This is very long for some
I was
reason.
trying to give you
Just cut
some
it.
length.
Just
Just
cut
cut
it.
it. Just cut it. Andrew's got this.
So what am I cutting today?
No.
What am I cutting today?
Just
All
this
of
little-
Oh my god, half your hair is gone already. How do hairdressers do this? And how are they like, yes?
Are they like, yes?
Statistics.
There's like a chunk off to the left.
Because that's where I tried to leave her hair longer.
Y'all both are doing me dirty.
Well, actually, you did yourself dirty by trusting us to do this.
You played yourself.
You
Is this
just-
okay?
Yeah, I think that looks pretty good, actually. Amber, just face forwards and then put your hair in the
cut
front
off
again.
half your hair. Yeah, I'm so good at this. Hire me.
Thanks,
It looks like
guys.
pretty much the same.
Can I have maybe a handheld mirror? Thank you! I'm gonna hold my mirror right here, my leg is.
I'm hungry.
I'm Andrew.
I'm Radio Rebel.
My caterpillar never turned into a butterfly.
That's a Cheeto. Do-do-do. Wow.
Andrew, let's have a conversation purely in French.
Amber is stupid.
No.
Oui.
That-
When the foreign exchange students, when they said bonjour, it was bonjour.
How do they say other words, Andrew?
I didn't understand the rest. Bonjour, La bibliothèque is
Yeah.
Stop!
Get
That was
pranked,
awesome.
LMAO.
I really like her thighs look.
They're hairy. Stop licking me!
I didn't think that you would know
You're
this.
not that slick.
Why are you cutting so much?
Because I just got nervous and now I can't stop.
No, I can't.
If I get 600,000 likes on this video, I'll get bangs.
Guys, could we please hit 5,000 likes on this video?
Wait.
You guys destroyed it last time.
I wonder if I'll ever get bangs. I don't think it would look that good on me.
I'm gonna do fake.
Imagine.
I like that.
Yeah, that looks pretty much epic.
I feel like she'd look immediately like an e-girl.
At least I don't have dyed e-girl strands like Ashley.
Hey.
At least I don't have a mullet
Just
like
elevate
Andrew.
it.
Hey! Call it, Captain Hook.
When someone says, hey, hi.
Andrew going through situations in his head. This person says hi, hello, and I say hi.
Hi.
Okay, I think I should stop myself from cutting my hair now.
Yummy.
Dinner. That's my dinner.
This is only my dinner.
I'm gonna eat that one. And then I get to lick the floor as well.
No, that's no. Too far. That's disgusting.
I always hold the camera like this while it's on a tripod. I should technically be holding it like this. Me and my prom date.
Me and my prom date.
Hey, stop doing that.
What?
You're sitting.
Not
in my
You're right. You're like I zoned out, didn't realize I was doing it, and I was like, what the heck am I doing? That's so awkward.
You know, get up. Get up. Hey, now you.
Thanks for watching.
No! Stand behind me,
I
please.
just butt tapped you on accident.
Yeah, you did, and I enjoyed it. My hair's not that much shorter. Ooh. Nice job, guys. Okay, nice job, guys. Nice job, guys. At the end of the day, hair is hair. I didn't really care how my hair turned out, except I hate Andrew now for messing it up.
We're kidding. He's gonna cry.
Say goodbye to your eyebrows.
I gotta wake up and like,
Or
I know.
keep an eye open while you sleep.
Maybe one day we'll cut bangs for Amber.
next video.
Yeah.
Anyways, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed it. I had a blast.
Yes, me
obviously.
too.
Make sure to like and subscribe, and we'll see you guys again next time. Peace.
Peace.